Hi there, this is Michelle Michael of www.spreadsheetyogi.com. I'm here today to talk about accessing and saving Microsoft Excel files on your computer. So these are some fundamental logistics for getting started with Microsoft Excel. Right now we're looking at my desktop, and I'm going to create a place to store Excel files on my desktop so I can always easily find them. So I'm going to right click on the desktop and go to New and choose Folder. So I'm going to call this folder My Excel Files. And once you click on Folder, you can type in the name and press Enter, and your folder will be created. So now we have a place to put them and a place where we can always come back and find them easily. So let's go to the Start menu and find Excel. Now the Start menu is in the bottom left corner of your screen. On some operating systems it'll say Start, and on others, more recent ones, it just has this Office button down here. So you're going to click on that button, whether it says Start or it's just a picture. And we're going to go to All Programs. So click on All Programs, and again it may look a little different on your screen depending on your operating system, but it's fundamentally the same. We're going to All Programs, and you look for Microsoft Office. This Microsoft Office is where we'll find Excel. Once you find Microsoft Office, click on it, and it'll open up the different programs that are available in Office. And we're going to choose Microsoft Office Excel. In this case, it's 2007. Click on that and it will open the program. Great, so now we have found Microsoft Excel. Let's imagine we created a spreadsheet and we did some work in here, maybe create a budget or something, and then we decide to save our file. So there is a universal little floppy disk icon in the upper left corner that's in All Programs. You can click on that to save, and that'll open the Save dialog. I'm going to close that out so I can show you another way. You could also go to the File menu, or if there's not a File menu, you can click on the Office button. It's the same thing, and go to Save. So you see that universal icon again. Okay. So once you have the Save dialog open, you need to choose where you want the file to be saved. And when we started, we decided where we wanted it. We wanted it on the desktop. So if you look on the far left, you'll see an icon for desktop. Again, yours may look a little different. It may be a big icon, but you should find desktop over here on the left. Click on it, and then it'll pull up the stuff that's on your desktop. Now, not all of this is visible on your desktop, but you'll see the folder that we created earlier is there. And if you hadn't created that folder, you could do it right now by the same method of right click, going to New and Folder. But we've already done that, so let's just double click on the folder, My Excel Files, because that's where we want to put it. And you'll see right now there's nothing in there, and in the address bar at the top it shows we're in that folder, so that's all good. Now let's name our file. And you can call it whatever is a good, descriptive name for your file, and click Save. So I'm putting in My First Spreadsheet. Good. So you'll see at the top the name of your spreadsheet that's been saved, and you can close out. And now anytime you want to come back to that spreadsheet, you can go to the folder My Excel Files, double click on it, you'll see your file, and you can open it up from there. So that's it. Accessing and saving Excel files. So thanks for joining me on this quick tutorial. If you'd like more tips, please visit my website at www.spreadsheetyogi.com.